Nothing like shopping outside for some stuff you need for your nutrients. Black walnut leaves. They got some black walnuts out there growing already. I just brought me a few branches in after the weather knocked down a couple of branches out there. Nice. I just gotta wash them again. Alright. They washed up. I already got some here. All been dried up. I only took that off so to check and see how they were. I got me a batch of these leaves out there. There's so much out there. I ain't finna. I didn't want to fight with the ladybugs out there, taking over their little branches out there. Let these get rid of them. Then we're gonna go. I had some dried the other day. And with my teeth on, I cook my mixture with other things. So I just wanted to do a quick video on this. This channel is named R-Star, so now Warrior for Christ. Peace. Alright, so I have some fresh leaves put in this jar here. Those are the dry ones back there. And these are washed and picked off. And we got a full black walnut here. But I'm waiting for the other batch when they fall off. I'll probably make some tincture type thing with that. These I'm gonna just let them dry up. Got a whole lot of I'll probably go get some more strong smelling. Just put some in my tea here. So I'm trying the full leaves and the tea. I did try the dry the other day. Dry seems to work pretty good though. It seems like it's much, but it's not. Trust, because it all ends up piling up and drying up. Try to preserve some of the elder ones. All right, it's the end of the video. Peace out.